So hello everyone, welcome back again. And the video I tried or not tried. I'll record my review for the book that I read. The last time I did it starts from the beginning starts from chapter 6 to the 10, and I think this one not going to be that long because the content of it is I think it's just one long story. So yeah, and in the chapter 6 they talk about how Sejanus fit the tribute, and end with Sejanus offering his tribute the boy from District 2 to Snow. But Snow was that decline because I think he deep down in his mind, in his heart, he chose Lucy Gray. I don't know, maybe for the showbiz, but that's what I get. And so in this chapter 6 can Snowback with a footnote. Also in the zoo where the tribute get captured, uh, some people try to feed the tribute. First, first it's just the basically, but more of the tribute do certain show for the food because the last time you see Grace sings the first time they are in the zoo, and I think the second day that Snow come to visit. So that tribute try to do little dance or juggling or something like that to that food from the capital people. And one of the people that is it try to feed the tribute is Snow friend. Her name is Arachne. From Snow perspective, is she is not the Dwarfy or Snow. Uh, what is it? Try to think that. Also, oh yeah, she tried she tried to fit her tribute, but she plays with it. Did you do you know or do you know how to do you know where you play with a baby or with an animal that you try to get food but take it back, something like that, to her tribute. But it doesn't end well because the tribute, I think, got mad enough that he got that she got a knife from the from Arachne and slit her throat, slit Arachne's throat. It make a spectacle. What the capital citizen running from the peacekeeper because the moment the tributes the rocket throw the peacekeeper shoot the tribute. Yeah, and make spectacle we made commotion in the zoo. From Snow perspective, he looks the little got trampled, the little kid got his legs trampled, banned, and in some kinds of way. Also, in that moment, Snow, what is it? Freeze. I think it's his first time look at someone get killed. So Lucy Gray shot at him. But again, Lucy Gray shot at Snow to help her friends, to help his friend, to help Arachne. Yeah, he tried to help him, but when he comes closer to Arachne, she already lost too much blood. And yeah, the peacekeeper tried to what is it? Uh, reduce the commotion and get everyone back home. Back home, Snow doesn't get much sleep. All he still get goosebumps from the moment that his friend got killed. So he works on his proposal. The one in the chapter 3 or 4 where his professor asks him what can we do to make capital citizens watch Hunger Games. So he made the proposal, but the proposal actually needs to work with other people in his class. But I think it's uh, he make it first or make it himself because uh, he can sleep. So yeah, he worked with it. And what is it again? Oh yeah, that's chapter 7. Chapter 8. He handed to the game maker, the professor. How is it? Oh, yeah, the Professor Go or Dr. Phil Go, the game maker. Yeah, he say he or she they like it, but the Dr. Go asked him, did you write it yourself or with your friend? Uh, so in this scenario, after Snow handing his proposal, he got summoned by Dr. Go to see them directly. So Snow come with his friend Clementia, that's her name, and yeah, back again to where Dr. Go asked him. See, Doctor Snow also answer with me. I write some of it, but we what is it? We brainstorm the ideas together. Dr. Go is skeptic with no answer, so they made a task. They put the proposal in the box full of snakes, and he they asked Snow to reach for it first. Once Snow reach for it, he doesn't beat it. So he doesn't beat him. But when his friend Clementia tried to, Dr. Go mentioned something. The snake will not beat someone who they already know the family. So when what is it? Snow friend Clementia reached to the box to touch. So the snake bit him. She screamed in agony, but so and Dr. Go said that. So you made it yourself. What did you like? It's yeah. They asked Snow. Snow doesn't know how to answer because he see that his friend Clementia screaming in the floor because of the bite. And Dr. Go said, yeah, call for his assistant, their assistant, take Clementia away. And that's chapter 8. For chapter 9, and then most of it are what happened after the Arachne death. President made a speech, also Snow, because of heroic saving. So in the zoo where the event of Arachne death happened, Snow freeze at first, but the camera doesn't take it. The camera take when Arachne throat got slit. He tried to save it, so he tried to save Arachne right after Lucy Gray showed at him. So that's what the camera did. So in honor for his bravery, Snow got appointed to sing the Panem song and directed that. And the chapter ends at that. I'm sorry if some of my explanation is not that good, but yeah, thank you all.